Welcome to this video tutorial on a guide to eating healthy on a budget. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple steps you can take to make sure you're eating well without breaking the bank. First, learn how to meal plan. Meal planning allows you to plan ahead for your meals and snacks, which can help you save money. Start by creating a weekly menu and shopping list. This will help you plan ahead and make sure you have all the ingredients you need on hand. You can also use your meal plan to compare prices at different stores so you can get the best deal. Next, buy in bulk and freeze what you don't need right away. Buying in bulk can save you money and ensure you have enough food on hand. Another tip is to focus on whole foods. These are foods that are not processed and are in their natural state, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. These foods tend to be less expensive and more nutrient-dense compared to processed foods. Plus, they are versatile and can be used in many different recipes. Another way to save money is to shop seasonally. Produce that is in season tends to be less expensive and more flavorful. It's also a good idea to check out your local farmers market for fresh, locally grown produce. Finally, don't forget to plan for leftovers. Cook extra food so that you can have leftovers for lunch or dinner the next day. This is an easy way to save money and time, since you won't have to cook a new meal from scratch. So there you have it, a few simple tips for eating healthy on a budget. Remember, eating well doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. By meal planning, buying in bulk, focusing on whole foods, shopping seasonally, and planning for leftovers, you can eat healthy and save money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on healthy living. Thank you for watching.